Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view the history of the wine labels you have scanned on Snapchat. So let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the scan button. After that, select the timer icon. Now swipe until you can find the wine option. Here, you'll find all the wine labels that you've previously scanned on Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.